Hello everyone, it's been a while since I posted anything to YouTube, but it's really nothing special happened in the past month, so I decided just to take a break and go on holiday and to charge back my batteries. I was really bullish on June 25th, but nothing happened. So now I see that probably we should reverse our trend back. I think we already bottom out for our cash and carry trade on September contract, and I'm hoping to see move up. So what will be my strategy for upcoming July month? So first of all, what I gonna do, I will wait till the gap will be back to around 2%. So when it will get back to around 2%, I will open my first position of 20% of my portfolio. So if the gap is still will be moving up, so my second trade will be again with 20% when the gap will be at 4%, and so on and so on and so on. As I think that the price of Bitcoin can move up in the short term, I'm not sure that the price can be over 40 or 45 thousand dollars at the end of September, and I'm not really sure, and I think no one knows um, will it be. So because of that, I'm taking some risk management because I don't want to lock my all bankroll on 2% for 3 months. Of course, if the price will go down and the gap will go back to zero or even back to backwardation, then I will have only a small amount of profit. But I think at this moment for this accumulation zone, it is better to trade with smaller amounts with lower risk, and because we can see really 1 week bullish week for Bitcoin, then we can go back again to like uh, 9, 10, or even 17% of the gap for Bitcoin. So like I said, I will start trading when the gap will become again 2%. Also remember, I will start doing it on September contract because already on December we have 3.3% for Bitcoin, and currently it's a highest one. We can see also what's going on other platforms. So Kraken on September has 1.5 already for Bitcoin. This is really good. So FTX, what it has? So for September on comp cryptocurrency already has 2.64. So if you're trading on FTX, you can open there a trade. What else? FTX. So Deribit, the main and the biggest one for companies, also has 1.1. I also have updated this cash and carry watch list. So who has purchased it already, they can find update on Contribee account. And who does not have a Contribee account yet, they can purchase one. They can purchase this premium gap watch list just for €2, and you can make your own gap like this. So let's see. So what else do we have? So weekly doesn't matter. Be weekly. So OKX on September is already 1.3, Huobi 1.2, September, Bybit 1%, BitMEX 1%, BTC it has 1.5%. So yeah, currently we don't have on any exchange unless FTX bigger gap than 2%. So I'll be waiting this gap to become on Binance higher than 2% and we'll start the trade. So thank you for watching. Please join our Telegram group if you have not yet done, and see you in the next videos.